Third example is evaluate double integration e raised to y square dx dy over a triangle whose vertices are 0, 0, 2, 1 and 0, 1. Now here equations are not given but the points are given. So first we have to find this region. 0, 0 means origin. 2, 1 both coordinates are positive. 0, 1 this is also positive coordinate, therefore the figure is in first quadrant. Therefore first we have to draw the figure directly because points are given. X-axis, y-axis, 0, 0 it's origin. 0, 1 this point. 0, 1 is on which axis? 0 is x coordinate is 0 is on y axis. X coordinate is 0 which is on y axis. So therefore this is 1, suppose. It's 1, 2 on y axis, 1, 2. First point is 0, 0 origin. Next point is 0, 1. Suppose this distance is 1, then it is 0, 1. Two, 1. Now point 2, 1 means x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 1. Means x distance is 2. X distance is 2 and y distance is 1. So this distance is 1. X coordinate is 2 means here and y distance is 1. Therefore this point is 2, 1. X coordinate is 2. This is 1. 0, 0. 0, 1 and 2, 1 and join these 3 points, these 2 points by straight line, and 0, 0 and 2, 1 this is also by straight line. This is the region of double integration. This 2 is not needed here. Now suppose this is origin O, this is point A and this point is B, suppose. Now we have to find the equations of that lines. On y-axis equation of line is, equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0, equation of y-axis. Now AB line, this line AB is parallel to x-axis. Equation of line parallel to x-axis. Equation of line parallel to x-axis is y distance is any constant b, suppose. Now here equation of line parallel to AB is a line parallel to x-axis, then y distance is 1 here and therefore line AB is parallel to x-axis, therefore equation of AB is y distance is 1. So y is equal to 1. Upper line, this is y is equal to 1. Now equation of line OA. Where origin is 0 0 and A point is 2 1. Equation of line OA is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is general form of line when 2 points are given. Now here x1 is 0, y1 is 0, x2 is 2 and y1 is 1, y2 is 1. 2 points are given. Y minus y1, y minus 0 is equal to y2 is 1, 1 minus 0, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, 2 minus 0, then in bracket x minus x1, x1 is 0, then y is equal to 1/2 x. We can solve this by y is equal to mx, because the line is passing through origin, but I have given here general form because if at the place of 0 0 if there is any other point, then you can use this equation. Y is equal to 1/2 x and x is equal to 2y. Now this line is y is equal to 1/2 x, y is equal to 1/2 x, x is equal to 2y. Now see, double integration, that in double integration the term is e raised to y square. Now suppose we take, just consider, suppose we have to integrate e raised to y square dy first and then dx. Suppose first we integrate with respect to y, then it will slightly becomes difficult. E raised to y square, integration of e raised to y square, because no other term is inside of e raised to y square. Therefore we have to use here horizontal strip, because in last two examples I have taken vertical strip, but in this problem vertical strip will become difficult and horizontal will be easy. Therefore in this figure we are taking here horizontal strip. Any problem we can solve by both strips, not only vertical strip, we can solve problem by also horizontal strip. Now we are taking here horizontal strip in this problem. Now horizontal strip means like this. Horizontal strip, this strip is flexible and the movement is from x-axis to in upward direction. The direction is in upward direction of this movement. Now how to find the limits in horizontal strip? Inner limits. Inner limits means y coordinates, inner limits means at end of the strip, values of x. At both end of the strip, take values of x. In vertical, we are taking values of y. It is totally opposite of vertical. End of the strip, values of x. Lower limit means first end of the strip. First end of the strip, value of x is 0. First end of the strip, value of x is 0. Second end of the strip, value of x. Y is equal to 1/2 x, then x is equal to 2y. Value of x. Once again, inner limits in horizontal strip means first end of the strip which is on y-axis, but value of x is 0. So x is equal to 0. So 0 is lower limit. Second end of the strip is on straight line OA. Equation of line OA is y is equal to 1/2 x, then x is equal to 2y. At the both end of the strip, values of x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2y. That means limits are 0 to 2y. Outer limits, y coordinates of starting and end point in movement of the strip. Starting point, now direction is in upward direction, so starting point is 0 0, its y coordinate is 0 and 0 1 is end point, its y coordinate is 1. 0 0 and 0 1, y coordinate 0, end point y coordinate is 1, that is 0 to 1. Outer limits means y coordinate of starting point and y coordinate of end point. Movement is always in upward direction, then integration becomes 0 to 1, outer limits, then inner limits. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2y, means 0 to 2y. Term is e raised to y square dx dy. Now inner limits are in terms of y. Therefore first integrate with respect to x. First with respect to x, taking y as a constant. Inner limits in terms of y, first integrate with respect to x, taking y as a constant. 0 to 1. Now y is constant, that means e raised to y square term will become constant. Then it should be outside. E raised to y square is constant term. Now in limit 0 to 2y, x term is absent. Therefore first we have to integrate with respect to x. The term will be only dx, and then outside will be dy. Means 0 to 1 e raised to y square as it is. Now integration of dx is x. 0 to 2y dy. Upper limit of x is 2y and lower limit of x is 0. E raised to y square, upper limit is 2y minus lower limit is 0 dy. 0 to 1 e raised to y square into 2y dy only. Now integration, you can solve this integration by substitution, but easy formula is integration of e raised to fy into f dash y dy is equal to e raised to fy only. Similarly, e raised to fy is y square and f dash y, derivative of y square is 2y, then it will only e raised to y square. Therefore e raised to y square limit 0 to 1. Then upper limit is y is equal to 1, lower limit is 0. Therefore e raised to y is 1, 1 square is 1, minus e raised to y is 0, e raised to 0, that is e minus 1. E raised to 0 is 1. This is integration.